Evening all, 6:52 in the evening on Monday, and this is your closing comment video number 2046. It was another up day in the markets, although the distribution of gains was a little different, with the biggest winners being the Dow Jones Transports up 344 or 2.21, followed by the Russell up 38.99 or 2.01. The rest of them were really only minor gains. The Dow was up 138.01, that's 0.36. Nasdaq was up 49.32, that's 30.32, and the S&P was up 1062 or 0.22. Market internals were pretty good. 3-1 advance declines on the NYSE, 5-2 on the Nasdaq, and 5.4 billion, which is a little on the light side. Oil came back a bit after being down on Friday and early this morning, turned back to the upside, and as you can see, we closed near the highs of the day and just under 75, 74, 76, up $1.51. Net gas was down another 12 cents. The gold was down 7.10. The silver was down 42 cents. And as I have been mentioning repeatedly for the last 2.5 or 3 weeks, the gap in Bitcoin was finally closed today. I'll show you what it looks like tonight because it is still a little lower. We got down to 39,330. That gap was right here. The top of the gap was 39,650. So being down to 330 closes it, and we are a little lower tonight. If we get back into this 38,500 area, I will probably try the BITX, which is the 2-to-1 ETF for Bitcoin. UAL had earnings after the close. They beat both top and bottom line. The stock had been down 38.42, down 40 cents. Turned up on the earnings and the guidance, although there is an issue with it. The stock got up as high as 41.48. The last is 41.15. That's up 233. The issue is that they have 90 of the Boeing planes sitting on the runway waiting to be inspected, and they have another 150 on order. So they said that if the grounding lasts till the end of the month, and that's only 9 days, if it lasts till the end of the month, it's going to cost them 3% on their earnings. Archer Daniels Midland, I mentioned it this morning, erroneously calling it the COO who had been suspended. In point of fact, and the stock, by the way, was 58, down 10.19. It was the CFO. He was immediately suspended, and they're talking about some fraudulent accounting issues, and the stock continued to fall. We closed 51.49, down 16.70 or 24%. So an additional $6. B. Riley came back a bit. It had a problem with an SEC investigation of one of its clients. The stock this morning was 17.45, down 273, but it did come back a bit. It was down as low as 16. Closed 1967, down only 51 cents or 2.5%. I don't remember who it was. Somebody downgraded AMD and upgraded Western Digital. Western Digital 57.36. That's up 259 or 4.7%. And Gilead, there have been a bunch of great reports in Biopharma. Today we went the other way. Gilead had less than stellar results on one of their approved drugs that they were going to try and use with another drug for a cancer treatment. The stock had closed 87.29, got down as low as 77.37. Closed 78.29, down $9 or 10.3%. There you have it. I'll be back first thing in the morning with your pre-opening call. Hope everyone had a good day.